Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Institute of Science and Technology. I am Sajad Hussain Janjua and I am a graduate in Mechanical Engineering Technology. In our first lecture, we need to know that what is project management. Project management is the process of achieving set goals within the constraints of time, budget and staffing restrictions. It allows you to get the most out of your available resources. In project management, resources are the key elements. So first of all, we will know that what are resources. Resources include people, material, money, equipment, information, facilities, and roles. It means that project management is like a schedule to arrange people, material, money, equipment, information, facilities, and roles of people to manage a project. Now we will go through an example to understand project management in a better way. If you are driving to a place you had never seen, would you get in the car without direction or map? Probably not. More than likely, take the time to plan your trip, consider alternate routes, and estimate your time of arrival. Planning the drive before you even left would help your trip be more successful. And along the way, should you encounter roads, blocks, or traffic delays, you would have already identified alternate ways to reach your destination. Project management follows the same methodology and process to achieve each project goals. You need to plan them in advance. Good project management is no longer an option in today's corporate world. It is a critical tool to help your company stay on target and accomplish its goals. If you are new visitor on our channel, then please subscribe our channel and press bell icon so that you can receive notification of our all incoming tutorials. Thanks for watching.